This next one is a new, never before seen, never gonna make it song. It's called Plarks, Planks, what is it? Plaques.
I don't even remember
Plaques.
anymore. I don't know what the original name was.
Right now, when we tell each other we want to play the song, we just draw a picture of Plank. So.
All the walls close in, bearing aberrations on their faces as she waits for the ground. Subtle calls frozen, bearing consternation in vanished places as the world is breaking down. Better than what you actually said, with the barely mask intent. You hid behind stories without evidence. Shed a light in your intent and your indifference to all of what should have come as precedent. If you don't honor the fair, don't honor that if you don't all the walls closing, bearing aberrations on their faces as she waits for the ground. Subtle calls frozen, bearing consternation in various places as the world is breaking down. Tell me why can I borrow when you start to kill? Is it only flesh and blood? We are not cut from the same cloth. Does it make you sick? Do you sleep at night okay? It's not my problem anymore. We are not cut from the same cloth. 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 We are not cut. Yeah! All the walls closing, bearing aberrations on her faces as she waits for the ground. Subtle call closing, bearing consternation in vanished places as the world is breaking down. And I don't want to see the fate of 90 years reduced to days, but I know that I'm not afraid if it helps at all. You hide behind synthetic faces, telling lies and trading places. All this time in holy spaces, time you fuck off. I don't want to see the fate of 90 years reduced to days, but I know that I'm not afraid if it helps at all. You hide behind synthetic faces, telling lies and trading places. All this time in holy spaces, time you fuck off. I don't want to see the fate of 90 years reduced to days, but I know that I'm not afraid if it helps at all. So when you get sick, please tell her I got nothing left to say. You fuck off.
All right, if you like that one, drop a comment. We'd love to hear it.